Here at the Sevilleta, we are really excited of doing collaborations, especially with students who are seeking volunteer hours or new experience in the field.
Kim Eichhorst, the Program Director for the Bosque Ecosystem Monitoring Program, or BEMP, which is the education outreach arm for the Sevilleta Long-Term Ecological Research Site, LTER site, and we are here at the field station. So here we have 8 casitas, cabins where the field crew can stay or researchers can come and stay. There's a library in here, and then you can see out most of the Sevilleta is the dryland or uplands ecosystem. So here we're like in kind of the Chihuahuan, and then surf. So this is part of the UNM Sevilleta research. So students can do research experience for undergraduate projects here, RU projects.
In this area, as Kim mentioned, we have the houses where we stay during the spring and the fall as the field crew who is managing the data for all the projects at the Sevilleta. At SURF, there's a ton of labs. They can do DNA processing. We usually do our root donut processing there, and different experiments, and the labs are very well equipped. So if a student wants to come from another university, they don't have to worry about bringing all the equipment. They can use the facilities and also staying here. This area that we're here, we use for conferences. There's groups that come from all over the States. There's even a quilting group that uses the facilities, which is really cool. Here at the Sevilleta, we are really excited of doing collaborations, especially with students who are seeking volunteer hours or new experience in the field. Especially in the summer, we have a ton of projects where we don't need specifically botany experience, we just need hands in the field and we'll teach you. So if you're interested, you can look for my name, it's Melissa Villatoro, or look at the Sevilleta webpage where you can see the list of contacts for the group and send us an email if you want to learn more about the desert.